3 reasons why you should try cabbage rice instead of any other form of rice recipe. Number 1, it is colorful. Number 2, it is almost like vegetable salad. And number 3, just the method of cooking alone helps in retaining most of the nutrients. Hello guys, my name is Idel and you're welcome to my YouTube channel Zay Cooks. On this channel we cook, we eat, we love one another. First off, if you haven't yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please use these few seconds to do so while I go get myself a glass of water. So what you will need for this recipe is 1 kilogram rice, 1 medium-sized cabbage with its green leaf still attached, 6 large tomatoes, some green beans, bell peppers in all its colors, preferably my country's flags color, green, red, yellow. Half kilogram meat, some sweet corn, peas, carrots, spring onion, garlic, ginger, and of course some heat like scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper, chili pepper, whichever one you prefer. Vegetable oil of your choice. So in this case I am using rapeseed oil. Start by melting 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Meanwhile, you can see the meat already boiling at the bottom left. Add already washed rice and stir fry for about 5 minutes. Stir fry till you start seeing golden brown grains. The reason I'm stir frying is to avoid the rice to be so sticky when it's cooked. Add your already blended garlic, ginger and pepper. Add powdered red bell pepper. Add salt and seasoning to taste. Add water, cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Now while that is cooking, let's go and get our vegetables ready. Finely sliced cabbage and all the other vegetables from green beans to carrots to spring onion, bell peppers to tomatoes. So over here I already boiled some water and now I blanch the cabbage in the hot water, and this is our vegetable mix. I parboiled it for about 3 minutes. In a large pot or pan, add vegetable oil, add your onions and stir fry, and then add your meat, tomatoes, gently stir and let it cook until the sour taste from the tomatoes disappear. Go in with a little salt, some seasoning. Add in rice and gently mix until it's well blended with the tomato sauce. Add mixed vegetables, mix until everything is evenly distributed. Add in cabbage and mix as well. And then lastly, add your sweet corn and gently mix. So at this stage, our cabbage rice is ready. It's looking so colorful and so delicious. Now it's time to dig in. This is so delicious. The cabbage just gives it that crunchy feel. It's almost like we are eating salad. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.